very simple trick. I'm going to have you name a card value for me, please. Now, I don't want you to necessarily name like the 4 of spades or the 7 of hearts. If you say 4s, I'm going to take whatever value it is that you name, and I'll lay all 4 of them out here on the table, okay? That's the club, that's the heart, that's the spade, and that's the diamond, okay? Greg, if you don't mind helping me here. Max has made a decision on the jacks. I'd like you to name any suit that you'd like.
Okay. Clubs.
Clubs. That's these ones right here. Is there any reason that you left the club on the table? I'm not questioning your decision. I was just curious as to why you would have left that there. In fact, Max, is there any reason that you would have chosen the jacks?
Not really.
I'm really happy you did, because all of these ones would have been blank.